Nepal's first button mounting premium dispenser is here from Midea brand, which has also a compressor based cooling system, not an electric cooling system, which chills the water up to 10 degrees centigrade. This is Nepal's first premium bottom mounting water dispenser, which is cold, hot and normal water dispensing system. And it's so easier that you can put your water bottle jar easily. You don't have to spill over water all over the place to put on the jar. It's best for office uses and public area uses.